Alright, this is the elevator at the Beachwood Place Parking Garage, Beachwood, Ohio. It's a Schindler MT. Here it is. It's cold in here. Thank you well. Oh, Jesus! Holy shit! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh. Phone. That's right. Here you go. Let's get a cat view. It's just basic. Here, pal. Do another round trip. See if it does that again. If I get stuck in here, I'm not gonna be happy. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. Oh God. Oh God. Here it goes. Whoa! Holy shit. Alright, get me down there. I'm getting off this thing. Oh my God, this thing is awful. The other one is broken, which is not surprising. Oh my God, that thing scared the shit out of me.